What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, someone just made their first $100 online and they started last weekend? No fancy degree, no trust fund, just a laptop and an idea. Look, I get it. You've heard the make money online pitch 1,000 times. But here's what's different this year. The global freelance market just hit $5.58 billion and it's projected to reach over $14 billion by 2030. That's not hype. That's real money changing hands between real people. And the print-on-demand industry? It grew from $10.2 billion to a projected $103 billion by 2034. Translation: there's never been a better time to jump in. Today, I'm breaking down 7 legitimate online businesses you can literally start this weekend with $0 to $100. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which business model fits your skills, how much it actually costs to start, and the specific first steps to take before Monday morning. Let's get right to it, shall we? First up, freelancing. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. There are 1.1 billion freelancers worldwide right now. That's 35% of the entire global workforce. Why? Because businesses need help and they're willing to pay for it. What can you freelance? Writing and content creation, social media management, virtual assistants, graphic design, video editing, data entry. The median freelancer makes $21 per hour, but here's where it gets interesting. Web designers average $77,000 a year, and SEO specialists pull in around $55,000, and 68% of freelancers say their life actually improved after making the switch. Let's break down the startup cost. $0 to $30. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are completely free to join. Optional, Canva Pro, $12 per month, or Grammarly Premium, $12 per month to level up your work. If you want to start, here's your weekend action plan. 1. Saturday morning. Pick one skill you already have, even if you think it's basic. 2. Saturday afternoon. Create profiles on Upwork and Fiverr. Use a professional photo, write a clear bio, and set competitive rates $15 to $25 per hour to start. 3. Sunday. Apply to 10 to 15 beginner-friendly jobs. Write custom proposals. Don't copy-paste. The biggest mistake? Waiting until you're ready. You learn by doing. Your first client doesn't expect perfection. They expect someone reliable who delivers on time. Next, print on demand. This is the business model that turned stay-at-home parents into six-figure earners. Here's how it works. You design products, customers order them, and a company like Printify or Printful manufactures and ships them for you. You never touch inventory. You never pay upfront. The market, $10.2 billion in 2024, exploding to $103 billion by 2034. And get this, 75% of the top-performing pod stores are run from the US. Now, I go the most popular products. Custom t-shirts, still the king. Hoodies and sweatshirts, phone cases, tote bags, coffee mugs. The best sellers, they're adding about 7 new products every month and maintaining profit margins around 20 to 60%. Let's look at the startup cost, $0 to $50. Printify or Printful, $0 to start. They only charge when you make a sale. Optional, Shopify store, $29 per month after free trial. Or sell on Etsy, $0.2 per listing. Here's your weekend action plan. 1. Saturday, sign up for Printify, browse their 1,000 plus product catalog, and pick a niche: pet lovers, gamers, nurses, gym rats. 2. Saturday evening, create 3 to 5 designs using Canva, free. Think funny quotes, trendy graphics, or niche-specific designs. 3. Sunday, list your products on Etsy or integrate with a free Shopify trial. Let's say you design a mug that costs $8 to produce and ship. You sell it for $20. That's a $12 profit per sale. If you sell just 10 mugs a week, that's $480 per month in profit. Scale that to 25 sales a week. You're looking at $1,200 per month. The key, niche down. Don't try to sell to everyone. Pick a tribe and serve them obsessively. Business 3. Digital products. See, digital products are the ultimate low overhead business. Create once, sell forever. What qualifies as a digital product? Templates, planners, ebooks, checklists, printables, courses, stock photos, Notion templates, Lightroom presets, anything someone can download instantly. Why this works? 0 production costs after creation. No shipping, no inventory. Sell 24/7 on autopilot. Customers get instant access. Startup cost, $0 to $20. Canva, free for basic, $12 per month for pro. Gumroad or Etsy for selling. Gumroad takes 10% per sale. Etsy charges 20 cents per listing. Now, your weekend action plan. 1. Saturday morning. Research what's selling on Etsy under digital downloads. Look for things you could make. 2. Saturday afternoon. Create your first product, a meal planner, budget template, social media calendar. 3. Sunday. Write a compelling product description, create mock-up images, and list it on Gumroad and Etsy. Pro tip, your first product won't be perfect. That's okay. The goal this weekend is to get one thing live and learn from real customer feedback. Next up, social media content creation. Content creation isn't just for influencers anymore. Regular people are making $1,000 to $5,000 per month creating short-form content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You don't need 1 million followers. The algorithm rewards good content, not just big accounts. How you make money. Creator funds, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services. Startup cost, $0 to $50. Your smartphone, you already have it. Optional, CapCut or InShot for editing, free. Optional, ring light, $15 to $30 online. Weekend action plan. 1. Saturday, pick a niche you're knowledgeable about. Personal finance, fitness tips, cooking hacks, productivity, tech reviews. 2. Saturday afternoon, record 5 videos. They don't need to be perfect. Authenticity beats production value. 3rd Sunday, edit and post them to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels with strategic hashtags. And here's a proven strategy. Post consistently, at least 3 to 5 times a week. Study what's trending in your niche. Repurpose the same idea across all 3 platforms. One viral video can change everything, but you can't go viral if you never post. Another online business you can start this weekend is online tutoring or coaching. Got a skill? Someone wants to learn it. Online tutoring and coaching have exploded post-pandemic. Whether it's academic tutoring, language learning, fitness coaching, or business consulting, people are paying for expertise. And here are the popular coaching niches: English tutoring, especially ESL, math/science for students, music lessons, fitness/nutrition coaching, career coaching, social media strategy. For startup cost, $0 to $30. Zoom, free for 40-minute sessions. Calendly, free scheduling tool. Optional, a simple website via card, $19 per month, year. If you want to start this weekend, here's your action plan. 1. Saturday morning, define what you'll teach and who you'll teach it to. 2. Saturday afternoon, create a simple offer, 60-minute session for $30. Adjust based on your expertise. 3rd Sunday, post your services on Facebook groups, local community boards, Reddit, or Craigslist. Start with one client, get a testimonial, raise your prices, repeat. Let me give you an example. If you charge just $30 per hour and book 10 hours a week, that's $1,200 per month. As you gain experience and testimonials, you can charge $50 to $100 per hour or more. Next one on my list is dropshipping, but with a twist. Okay, dropshipping has a bad rap, and for good reason. Most people do it wrong, but here's the twist. Instead of selling random gadgets from AliExpress, focus on solving a specific problem for a specific audience. That said, here's the right way to dropship. Pick a passionate niche: home organization, pet products, eco-friendly items. Source quality products. Build a real brand with great customer service. Use organic social media to drive traffic, not just paid ads. For startup costs, you'd need around $50 to $100. Shopify, $29 per month after trial. Optional. Logo design on Canva, free, or Fiverr, $5 to $25. Dash product cost only when you make a sale. To start this on a weekend, here's the plan. 1. Saturday, research products on Oberlo or AliExpress. Find items with high ratings and fast shipping. 2. Saturday evening, set up a Shopify store using a free theme. 3. Sunday, add 10 to 20 products, write compelling descriptions, and start posting on social media. The difference between success and failure in dropshipping: brand storytelling and customer experience. Don't just sell stuff, solve problems. Last but not least, faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be on camera. Channels focused on true crime, life hacks, meditation, finance tips, and top 10 lists are crushing it with stock footage, voiceovers, and simple animations. Once you hit YouTube's monetization threshold, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, you earn from ad revenue. Some channels make $2,000 to $10,000 per month in passive income. You only need between $0 to $50 as startup cost. Dash stock footage, Pexels, Pixabay, free. Voiceover, your own voice or 11 Labs AI, $5 to $50 per month. Editing, CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, free. Here's your weekend action plan. 1. Saturday morning, pick a proven niche. True crime, psychology facts, space, history mysteries. 2. Saturday afternoon, script your first 3 videos using trending topics. 3rd Sunday, edit and upload them with SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. Consistency is king. Channels that post 2 to 3 times a week grow faster. Batch create content so you're always ahead. Alright, let's recap the 7 businesses you can start this weekend. 1. Freelance service. Use skills you already have. 2. Print on demand. Design and sell with zero inventory. 3. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. 4. Content creation. Turn views into income. 5. Online tutoring. Teach what you know. 6. Dropshipping, done right. Build a real brand. 7. Faceless YouTube. Earn passive income from videos. Here's the bottom line. Every single one of these businesses is being run successfully by regular people right now. The only difference between them and you, they started. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need all the answers. You just need to take the first step this weekend. Pick one business from this list, not 3, not all 7, 1. Commit to it for the next 30 days. Execute, learn, adjust, grow. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, where I'll break down how to scale each of these businesses to $1,000 plus per month. Drop a comment below. Which business are you starting this weekend? I read every single one. And hey, if you want a complete step-by-step guide with templates, resources, and tools for each business, check the link in the description. Some are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support this channel so I can keep making free content like this. Now go out there and build something. I'll see you in the next one.